right, guys, next 6-liter question. We are looking at high pressure oil system, HPOP leaks, STC issues on early models. That's not a thing. STC updates needed. Only time you need an STC fitting update is 05, 06, 07. So STC on the 03, 04s was a threaded connection. 05 and later they went to a quick connect fitting. And this very often gets misdiagnosed as a high pressure oil pump failure. 05, 06, and 07 Powerstrokes almost never experience high pressure oil pump failures. I worked at a 6-liter specialty shop for almost 12 years. I saw 2 cast iron high pressure oil pumps fail, and neither one of them failed, but they weren't producing enough pressure to overcome a high pressure leak. And there's a non-serviceable valve in the bottom of the high pressure oil pump. It's a stainless steel check ball and a hollow nut. It's only there for the pump assembly purposes when they first put the pump together, and then it never gets used again. I saw 2 of those fails. Both of them that failed were on ambulances. So fired up cold, hot rodded hard, pull up to the site of the accident, shut it off hot, fire back up, hot rod it to the hospital, shut it off, unload, fired up hot, hot rod back to the fire station, ambulance, wherever, and shut it off again. And it's just an extremely unique environment that 99% of 6.0 Powerstroke owners are never going to put their truck through. So if you've got your 05, 06, 07 truck at a shop and they're telling you need a high pressure oil pump, not saying they're stupid, but I'm saying they're stupid. It's most likely an STC bracket fitting failure. And they're not going to call you back and tell you they misdiagnosed it. They're going to tell you that they put a high pressure oil pump in it, and then they're going to tell you while they were back there, there was a broken fitting and they replaced it. And that's what fixed your problem, not the $1,000 pump they just wasted your hard-earned money on. So I'm not saying the high pressure pump can never fail. I just told you I saw 2 of them have issues. 2 high pressure oil pumps out of thousands of 6-liter Powerstrokes have come through the shop. Those are pretty amazing odds. 0304's totally different story. 0304 6-liters had an aluminum pump. The hardened gears and shafts inside of that pump will over time start wearing on that soft aluminum case, and they will develop a high pressure leak in the high pressure pump. A good shop's going to diagnose high pressure fuel or high pressure oil issues by air testing the system. And then they'll run a stethoscope up the driver's side, valve cover, listen for leaks. If there is none, move to the back of the engine. If there is none, move to the passenger side of the engine. So at some point they're going to find a leak. If it's not under the valve covers, dummy plug, stand tubes, injector O-rings, then it's going to be in the back. And on a 03, 04, it is going to be the pump. On a 05 and newer, it is going to be the STC bracket fitting. So I'm going to piss a lot of people off with that, because that's the quiet part most diesel shops don't want you to say out loud, because that's a big bank part for them to replace, and they get to sell a whole bunch of labor. But at the end of the day, it's wrong, and it's not honest, and it's not taking care of you, the customer. And that is what Review Diesel is all about, is saving you guys your hard-earned money and putting that money where it needs to go. I'm not saying you shouldn't spend money on your truck. Just don't spend it in stupid places because of a stupid shop that doesn't know how to diagnose things properly. You should not be paying for their education. So if you have a shop that's telling you need a high pressure oil pump on an 05, an 06, or an 07 6-liter Powerstroke, hit us up in the comments below. We'll find you a shop close to you that's reputable, that actually knows how to diagnose these things. And for you idiots that own shops that are going to argue with me in the comments, you're just making yourself look stupid. So I can't wait to see you in the comments.